What's up, y'all? We back at it. Hey, y'all, what's up? We back at it with another video, and today we're going to be doing a wig install. And y'all seen the style at the beginning of the video. We're going to be doing a wig install with 4 Bantu knots on the top. It's kind of like a half up, half down, but it's going to be Bantu knots in the front instead of a ponytail. Y'all ready to get into this style? All right, come on, let's go. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is China and my brand is Charmed by China. And basically, I'm here to give you all the tips and tricks to whatever install that you want to learn about. You know, it's a lot of stylists out here that be gatekeeping, but me, I'm not the one. So I got y'all. And for my babies who've been on my channel, checking me out, watching me since I started, welcome back. And I thank you guys for supporting me since day one. Yes, my OGs. I love y'all. And y'all, we're about to be at 6K subscribers. I'm really excited about that. Like, I'm growing so quickly and I love it. All right, back to the video. So I just put my client's wig on and I just wanted to really show y'all this style. If you want a detailed wig tutorial, check out my previous video. This video literally goes over every single detail so you can get that perfect melt. So check out that video if you are wanting to get more information and you're really wanting to perfect your wig techniques. Now I'm just going to go ahead and finish installing my client's wig and I'll be back to let you guys know about this style and how you can achieve this style on yourself or on your client. Now that the install is finished, I'm just going to go ahead and start parting her hair and getting her hair ready for the style. I'm very precise when it comes to my parting, so I am trying to make sure I get that middle part all the way correct, okay? My client does want the 2 bangs on the side, so I'm just parting out the bangs as well so I can keep them separate from when I start doing the Bantu knots. Now I'm just going to take my hot comb and press her hair out and make sure it is flat because we want us a neat and flat style. So now for the Bantu knots, we're going to go ahead and make our parts. I'm starting on one side of her head, so I'm just going to do the 2 Bantu knots on this side, and then I'm going to do the other 2 on the other side. But first, we're going to start on this side, and I'm just going to go ahead and start on my first Bantu knot. I did use my wax stick, and then I'm going to hot comb it. The wax stick is used to make the hair flat. So if you want a flat wig install, or if you want some flat hair, baby, use that wax stick, okay? Now, after we've hot combed her hair, I'm just going to spray some Eben lace adhesive spray. Y'all, as I told y'all in previous videos, that is the best holding spray. That Fantasia spritz, that got to be, it's a no. Use some Eben adhesive spray, I'm telling you. Now we're going to blow dry that adhesive spray into her hair and hot comb it because the hot comb gives it that like stuck effect. And then we're going to start creating our Bantu knot. So what I did here is I just got 2 rubber bands and I'm making sure I go slow because I want my client's Bantu knots to be perfect. All right, now that we've completed the first ponytail, we're just going to do the second one. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting the hair in its parts in ponytails, and then I will go ahead and do the Bantu knots after. I'm just going to go ahead and go over those same steps. I'm going to spray it, comb it in, and use my hot comb to make it stay in place. And then I'm going to put the rubber band around. Right now, it's giving TLC vibes, okay? I did stand in front of my client to make sure her parts were even. So you do want to make sure that your parts are even before you continue on to the next side. I did also want to let you guys know that I've been getting a lot of comments about booking with me. If you're wanting your hair done, you can book with me. If you're in ATL, you can book with me. So what I will do is I will link my booking link where you can book an appointment with me in the description below. I am located in ATL, Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm looking forward to servicing those who want to be serviced. I did already do one Bantu knot off camera, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I did it. What I did here was I parted her hair in two and then I just twisted it. You can braid it as well, but a twist would be better because it'll be more thinner than a braid would be. So I just twisted it all the way down to the end. I didn't twist it literally all the way down to the end because I did want to leave some hair out. And then after I twisted it, I just wrapped it around. And when you wrap it around, make sure you wrap it not too tight, because if you wrap it too tight, the Bantu knot is going to be tall and you don't want it to be like too tall. So you just want to wrap it around, but make sure you wrap it like around, like you can go up instead of going like down, like under. When you keep wrapping it, don't go under, just go up. I hope that makes sense, guys. I'm trying to explain it as best as I can. But after you wrap it, you just want to come to a stop. You don't want to wrap it completely around because as you can see, the other Bantu knot, it has some hair left out. So make sure you don't wrap it all the way, just leave that one tail out. And after you've left the tail out, you're just going to take a rubber band and put the rubber band around the Bantu knot and make sure that the rubber band is on top of the tail as well. And after you complete the Bantu knot and you've left your tail out, the hair will just stick up, and then you can spray it with some lace adhesive spray and use your edge brush to spread the hairs out. I did complete the other side off camera, so this is the style and this is how it's going to look. I did go ahead and take her bangs out of the braid, and I'm just pressing them out with this hot comb. I'm pressing them outside, like to the side, and not like in her face. Oh, look at that melt, y'all. You can't even tell it's a wig, can you? But I'm just going to go ahead and press the back of her hair out. And after I press her hair out, I'm going to do her baby hairs really quick. And then I'm going to define her parts. And when I define her parts, I'll let you guys know what I'm using. I did flip her hair upwards when I was pressing it out because she wanted that flip look in the back. So you guys will see those flipped ends at the end of this video. So for her baby hair, I'm using Gorilla Snide, of course. If you've watched my previous wig videos, you know what products I use. And I'm just gonna go ahead and swoop her baby hair. If you check out my previous detailed baby hair tutorial, that video will literally let you know everything I do to do baby hairs, everything I use, and everything that you need to know to perfect your baby hair. I did go in and cut her bangs a little bit because they were a little too long and she didn't like them super long. So I cut them a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and define her parts. So I am using this LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn to define her parts. And then after I use the LA Pro concealer, I'm just gonna go in with some black spray, and I'm gonna spray her parts. I'm gonna put my comb where her part is, and I'm just gonna spray on top of it. You do have to be very, very careful when spraying this black spray on the parts because you don't want to mess the parts up. So just make sure you squeeze out just a little bit. You know, you don't want too much black spray. You know, you don't want it to look crazy. But here's the final look, guys. Let me know what y'all think. I loved this style. It's so pretty. Bored with the middle or side part? Get you a style, bookie. I see y'all later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.